Can anybody out there hear me? Hear me? 'Cause I just wanna say
Confidence and hard work are the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. In rin tok na le thorim na te hi lo cham nat na tilum tura damdoi thaberani. Failure will never overtake you if your determination to succeed is strong enough. Lotling turay tumuru na ka at saktok chuan lo cham na in a phangay lovang che. If four things are followed, having a great aim, acquiring knowledge, hard work and perseverance, then anything can be achieved. Heng thil pali tumro pui nei shiat na nei thorim le beidon lo na te hi kan zom tlat chuan thil eng po hi lotlin pui thei ani. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. Ithil tumah lotling tur chuan I intiam na khan mal tak chung po a thanem ngai taka be na inei nge ngai ani. Without your involvement, you can't succeed, and with your involvement, you can't fail. In pek na tel lo chuan I lotling thei lova, in pek na nen chuan I lo cham thei lo thung. Difficulty doesn't mean impossible. It simply means you have to work harder. Thil har sahi a thei lo ti na ani lo, aum zia tak chu I thorim le zuala ngai ti na ani. Never change your originality for the sake of others, because no one can play your role better than you. Midang lambik ini nakha midang te muatan thak dang lam ngai chu achan chu tu man I chan vo kha nang ai thain an khel theilo. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Niyang en idu ani chuan niyang khian al chuak masapot ro. Excellence is a continuous process and not an accident. Thatlor na hi chumlo chatlova masondan ni in tipal thil anilo.